Hi everyone, today we are going to be learning how to create your ATM account in 2024. It's very easy. You can use it to send and transfer your Sproutgigs earnings, and you can use it for other transactions too. So if you are new, you click on create an account, choose your country, and always choose personal, not business, because you are creating it as your personal account. You can put your country, it works on all countries too. Let's see, let's select Nigeria. Let's see, because that's the country I'm currently in. Okay, then click on personal, then click on continue. Now you can continue or sign up with your email. Put your functional email because they'll be sending you notifications and other stuffs and other codes too in case you want to withdraw. Put a strong password that must contain the requirements below: special character, a letter, a number. When you don't confirm your password, fill in the remaining details. When filling the details, make sure you put correct details so you don't forget. Let's go to my account now. As you can see, this is my account. I just created this account not long ago. You can withdraw, you can add your funds, you can even transfer USDC, you can send all requests, you can get paid too. These are some minor transactions I have did just to test it out. It's fast and efficient. You can also get paid, yet there are some little surveys you can do. You can earn money too from there. Also, you go to the four strikes at the top right corner. You see things you can do. Now let's say I want to withdraw now. You can search for your payment method. It works on all payment method, guys. Any payment method you have, you can try it there. So you can use OPay for Nigerians or PalmPay, any Nigeria bank account. So let me use PalmPay, and this is the fun part because the money here is quite large. Let's say you want to withdraw, let's say $1. Now let's see the conversion in Nigeria currency. For $1 is 1052 naira. You can even use this for businesses. You can convert for someone, then you can take your own share from inside. Since it's that much to convert, $100 is 131,304 naira, guys. Very quite much, and the money goes to your account straight up, no delay of any kind. Goes to your account straight up. You can see your home activity. You can choose to be a cashier. You can apply. Now let's go to transfer USDC. You can add your Stellar USDC directly to your Stellar USD balance at no cost. You can withdraw your Stellar USDC also. You can withdraw from Ethereum, free P2P network available. So you can use this for virtually everything you are doing. All your transactions is quite free. So make sure you use the same email you use for your Sproutgigs account, so that when you want to fill in the details, you will not forget anything. So you can see now, to create an ATM account to withdraw your Sproutgigs funds is quite easy. So you can do this at home, just your mobile phone. And again, don't use VPN when creating any account. For my other videos, you can check out the link in the description box below. Goodbye for now.